Watch that tail.
Lola.
Watch that tail.
Lola. Lola.
Look at her. She's like, I don't know what that thing is. I have never seen that.
You my babe.
She looks like a tiger.
I don't know if we should take her around Elsie and Holly right now.
No, she's not allowed to be around other dogs.
Right.
No. Actually, we should probably take our shoes off and stuff like if we're around the other dogs. Don't let her around our shoes. Because she said it's
need to
just.
wash my hands. I pet Elsie and stuff.
She said it's just like a baby. You wouldn't take your baby to a hospital and let it crawl on the floor. You know, she's like, you just don't do it. I need you to go to Big Lots